Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your 123RF contributor account is active and all verification steps are complete. Once done, gather your images and any model or property releases. Make sure releases are scanned as PDFs. Next, check each file meets 123RF technical requirements, dimensions, 300 ppi resolution, and allowed formats, because this prevents upload rejection. Now open the contributor dashboard and click Upload to begin. The faster you prepare, you'll see each file upload with a progress bar. Drag and drop is fastest, but select files is fine for precise selection. Once uploaded, add a clear title that describes the image, choose the best category, and enter 5 to 15 targeted keywords. Think like a buyer. Also attach any model or property releases to their corresponding images and complete required metadata like age or gender when applicable. Make sure to review auto-suggestions and remove irrelevant tags before you submit. After final checks, click Submit for review and watch status updates in your dashboard. Reviews can take hours to days depending on volume. If an image is rejected, read the rejection reason, then correct metadata, attach missing releases, or replace with a higher quality file and resubmit. If automated checks keep failing, open a support ticket and include file ID, rejection messages, and screenshots so support can see the issue. This speeds resolution and gets your content live sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.